Good morning, how on earth are you? Are you well? Excellent, me too, thank you very much for asking. It's another beautifully sunny day. We're heading into a bank holiday weekend and shock horror, apparently it's going to be a nice one. I know, believe it or not, in the UK, whenever it's a bank holiday, you can pretty much guarantee rain. But anyway, this weekend it's not going to be, and today is a bit of an admin-y kind of day. I've got a lot of work I need to get done. I've just been editing some content for George Benson, one of my clients. I edit his vlog videos and other bits and pieces for him now and again, and so I've been editing up some of his Australia content, which is really cool to see. And also I'm sending some files over to some of the clients, and most importantly today, because Susanna's working all day, I am taking her car for its MOT. In the UK, if your car doesn't have an MOT, it's not legal, and so it's a really great way of the government getting lots of money out of us and stuff like that. So I need to go and take her car for its MOT, and hopefully, fingers crossed, it's going to pass and be safe to drive and not cost us a small fortune to get it fixed. So yeah, let's go get that done, shall we? Why does everything have to cost so much? Alright then, this is my office for the day. This is where I bought my car from actually, Pinewood Garage, Pinewood Motors, in Cold Ash, Hermitage kind of area in Newbury. They're really good guys here as well actually, they're really nice, and they'll just they sort you out, and even if you've got any issues they try and help as best as they possibly can for as cheap as they possibly can, which is very good in my book. So yeah, we've got Susanna's car here today for its MOT. I think it's going to be a bit of a long job because there's one little thing that I knew wasn't working, but I didn't know why it wasn't working, which is the windscreen wipers, and it sounds like it's going to be a big job, which is a bit of a bugger, but these things come to triers. So I thought I'd step outside for 5 minutes, enjoy some sunshine, maybe have a look at some new cars as well, because as much as I can't afford one, I think we've got reason for needing a new car fairly soon, because I think mine really does need to be replaced. So yeah, I might have a look around and see what they've got on offer, and then hope I win the lottery. That's become a bit of a nightmare. We can't get Susanna's car MOT today. Well, we could get it MOT, but it would fail its MOT, so there's pretty much no point. The part that it needs to fix the windscreen wipers, just salute the magpie, is not available from anywhere other than on eBay. And the guy on eBay obviously won't be delivering it to us today. It won't get here until Wednesday because we've got a bank holiday weekend. Awesome! So yeah, brilliant. So I've got to take her car back in again next Wednesday, which means I've had to move some things around to make it happen and make it work. And in the meantime, yeah, she just doesn't have any windscreen wipers, which is a bit of a pain. So we have to hope it doesn't rain, and that they haven't got the weather forecast completely wrong for the next few days. Let's keep our fingers very crossed on that front, shall we? So anyway, right, I might as well and go and get some lunch or something. It's been a seriously crappy start to the day. What with Susanna's car not being able to get done, so I'm going to go treat myself to cake, lunch and a coffee at Harrison's in Newbury. I can agree with that. Fairly successful day apart from not being able to get her MOT done, and today, wow, that's loud. Okay, and then this evening we have come to the wonderful world of the blue box. That is IKEA. She wants meatballs and I want whatever they've got on special offer, and we want to buy a new wardrobe as well, so that's what we're going to do. The reason why anybody comes to IKEA: meatballs for dinner. Right then, even though the IKEA trip wasn't really successful or business based, I thought I'd show you it because hang on a minute, let's just go back and see something again. Yeah, I thought that's what I saw. For good reason. I'm gonna be a dad. And that's where I'm gonna leave today's vlog. Thank you ever so much for watching. For those of you who've been watching for the last 6 years, you've probably been waiting for this for a little while. For those of you who are brand new to the vlogs, thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for joining us on the business side of things. And I will see you guys tomorrow morning. It may well be Saturday, it may well be a bank holiday weekend, but that does not mean you can't keep smashing out the work. And I'll show you how tomorrow. Have a good rest of your day, and I'll see you then. Have a good one. Bye!